Today I'm going to show you an old favorite. It's a classic. We call it chocolate beehive. It's just chocolate cake with marshmallow icing on top and then covered with melted chocolate. The finished product looks like a beehive. Let's get started. For the chocolate beehive, for the chocolate cake, you need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1/3 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons vinegar, 1/2 cup oil, 1 whole egg, 1.5 teaspoon of coffee, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1.5 cups of hot water. For the marshmallow icing, you need 1/3 cup water, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons of water. Then 1 teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. For the chocolate coating, you need 1/4 kilo of dark sweet or bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate plus 2 tablespoons of butter. Right, to mix, let's put together all the dry ingredients. We start with brown sugar, all-purpose flour, white sugar, cocoa powder. By the way, always sift the flour before you measure. You have salt, baking soda, baking powder. Mix them all together. Right? Then we have here egg, oil, vanilla, and then we have hot water. We're going to dissolve the coffee in hot water. Okay. You don't need a mixer for this one. A wire whisk will do. This is a very simple moist chocolate cake recipe. You mix this until it's smooth. And then you have to bake immediately. You can't let this sit outside. After you finish mixing, portion and then bake immediately. See? So this is it. Alright, this goes into a 340-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until it's done. I have many recipes to share with you. If you're interested, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be alerted when a new video is uploaded. Let's make our marshmallow icing. Here in the saucepan, we have water. This is 1/3 water. And then we have sugar. You don't have to stir, put the water first. And then we will boil that for about 4 minutes or until it's syrupy. Then over here we have egg whites, cream of tartar. And this one we have gelatin. You sprinkle it over 2 tablespoons water. You need to sprinkle the gelatin so they're not lumpy. Here we start whipping the egg whites. When you see big bubbles, and then we're going to add in this is the gelatin which we soaked. Alright, no more heat. And then let's pour this into the egg whites. After about 5 minutes, this is how it should look like. It's like melted marshmallows. If you want to make bigger beehives, then you need to double the recipe for the marshmallow icing. Okay, I'll just make a few pieces and then we will dip it so you can see. First, you pipe this to make like a beehive. We allow the gelatin to set. We can put that in the we can put that in the chiller so it's faster. In the meantime, let's microwave this with butter. Right now, this is what we do. You dip it in the melted chocolate and then you take out the excess. So we have your beehive now. You can see the beehive. Dip and then swirl, and then you allow the excess to drip off. Alright, and then this one. This is fun to make. Your kids might enjoy this, though it's a little bit messy, but it's fun. It's lots of fun, right? I hope you can try this at home. The chocolate cake is very moist too.